start back with the program so we can get you out of here before it gets dark. One thing I neglected to do a little earlier, although it's on the cover of the program, I do want to thank the National Restaurant Association and the Louisiana State Restaurant Association for participating in this event. And so I do appreciate them being sponsors of this event. Queen Madeline and I are going to exchange gifts now. And at the same time, we're going to raise our goblets and your glasses for a toast to the royal court, being the princesses and the queens. And happy Mardi Gras to all of y'all. Here, here. I don't know how the old time kings drank out of this.
Those crowns are something spectacular.
They really are. These are cool.
Are they gonna keep them? Really?
I mean, yeah.
All the gifts are gonna.
His literally has a Taco Bell on it.
Now I'd like to recognize the senior lieutenant of the crew, Mr. Wayne Smith, and I'd like to ask the other senior lieutenants to please come up to the podium.
Hi, my name is Wayne Smith, and I have the privilege of giving the Queen and the King the official royal pins, the golden crowns, for their reign in 2020. First, I'd like to introduce the other senior lieutenants, Mr. Mark Ackle, who's in charge of all of the queens and the princesses in the royal court. It's a big job. Mr. Tyron Picard, who's the parade captain in charge of the crew. Mr. Ted Jones, who's our newest senior lieutenant, and he's the secretary of the corporation. So, Mr. Ted, would you give the first presentation to the Queen? And what it is a gold necklace with the royal crown. And King Greg? Yes. This is the very expensive pin that you get for all of the wonderful gifts you've given Washington over the past 2 years. The 2020 King pin. Thank you. I don't want to tell you how much this costs. But there are a lot of tacos, I'll tell you. And in addition to that, we have the official flags, the banners, for each for the king and for the queen. To the king and queen with their official pins for 2020. Great job.
I want to thank all of you for your attendance. And as my first official act, to command you to go forth and let the good times roll. And I hope I don't mess this up, but la bon temps roulette. And we are done whenever you're ready to get up.
That's your coffee right there, baby. If you want it. I'm burning up.
Well, enjoyed very much having lunch with all of you.
Hey, guys.
Thank you. We'll see you all this week.
Are y'all running out to go sightseeing
Oh, no.
Yeah, I could do it. How about everyone put it right here? How many people do we? Just make it easier.
About 20. There's going to be like 4 pictures. I want to take one with just the 18.
If you wanted a nice picture, you want to get everybody here? Yeah, we just put it here. Well, we say we could go back there.
Talk to this one.
Against that wall would be a lot easier.
Let's do it. Can everyone go over there? He's not gonna get the deal. He's not gonna. Do it right here.
Yeah, I mean, we're already right here. Let's
Yeah. What the hell, right?
Yeah, come on, everyone, just
All
come
right.
here. Come on.
Grandkids, let's rock and roll, baby.
Yes, sir.
She wants to get one of just all the family. And she wants to get one of the in-laws. And she wants to get one of just
Is this going by any chance? I don't know if it's running. Is it running? It is. What's up? You're coming live from Washington, D.C. with Cooper and Gregory.
Hey, kids!
We got the cameraman right here.
Everyone stand behind, get close. We need about 4 or 5 guys to kneel.
And go grab my bag,
Kneel,
please.
down. Girls, get behind. Kneel. How about if you have a seat? We need 2 people to sit. Not you guys.
No, this is just grandkids.
Just grandkids. Sit. You 2 can sit. You don't have to sit.
Okay, so parents are being added next, is that right? Okay.
And we're in business. You got it. This is great.
No, the next one we're going to pull him out, do just the grandkids, and then the parents are
All right,
going to go
here's what
back
we're
in.
gonna do.